in this video, we talk about this little buddy, the saxophone. The saxophone is a single reed woodwind instrument. The saxophone family consists of many members. The soprano, alto, tenor, and the baritone sax are the most popular ones. What I am holding here is a tenor sax, medium-sized member of the saxophone family. It uses a larger reed, a ligature, and a mouthpiece. This has a huge range, the lowest note being B flat, while the highest note being F sharp. How is the sound produced in this instrument? As in all woodwind instruments, the sound is produced when the reed vibrates inside the mouthpiece, creating a sound wave which goes through the instrument body. The pitch is controlled by closing and opening of the holes in the instrument body to change the effective length of the tube. The reed is a very important part of this instrument. Without this, no sound can be made. It is a really delicate piece. These are made from cane plant. No two reeds in the world can be the same, as they are made from natural materials. These instruments were built to bridge the gap between woodwind instruments and brass instruments. These instruments are used in a wide range of musical styles, including classical music, military bands, marching bands, jazz, and contemporary music. This instrument was made by a Belgian instrument maker, Adolphe Sax, in 1840s. That's it for this video. Hope you guys learned many things about this beautiful instrument and hope you found it really interesting. I am Sandupa Sudil. Subscribe, like and leave a comment. Bye.